Morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. Now, today, what we are going to do? We are going to do book exercise. So, my first instruction is to bring the book and keep it with you. Have you seen all the videos of this chapter? सबने देखी है videos? Yes. Now it's your turn to answer. I'm going to ask questions from you, means from the book, and you have to answer and you have to write down them in the book only. Is it clear to you? You have to write down the answers in the book. So bring your book and keep it with you. Get ready with pencil and book. I'm giving you 2 minutes time to bring your book and pencil. Clear? Now, first is take out page number 59. Which page? 59. Here it is given, track your progress. Fastly take out page number 59. Now the first question is, give one word for the following. First is, which mineral is present in our bones? हमारी bones में कौन सा mineral present होता है? Think. Yes, tell me fast. Calcium. Which mineral is present in our bone? Calcium. Got it? Have you written it down in your book? Yes. Now, B is, what type of food item our body cannot digest? कौन सा food item हमारी body digest नहीं कर सकती? बताइए कौन सा नहीं कर सकती है? roughage. ROUGHAGE, roughage. Now the C is, which nutrient help us to resist disease? कौन सा nutrient हमें disease को resist करता है? हमें कौन सा nutrient disease को भगा देता है? Yes, tell me. Vitamins and minerals. पढ़ा था ना? Vitamins and minerals help us to get rid of the diseases. So we should eat a lot of vegetables and fruits. They contain a large amount of vitamins and minerals. Am I clear to you? Now the last is, who needs more carbohydrates, you or your grandfather? What we are getting from the carbohydrates? क्या मिलता है हमें carbohydrates से? Energy. तो किसको एनर्जी ज़्यादा चाहिए, आपके ग्रैंडफादर को या आपको? Yes, tell me. Me means you need more energy to work, play and to do other activities. Clear? Now come to page number 65. Which page? 65. Track your progress. Give one word for the following. A, insect that sucks blood and cause मलेरिया. कौन सा इंसेक्ट होता है जो ब्लड सक करता है एंड मलेरिया करता है? यू कैन सी द पिक्चर हेयर. विच इंसेक्ट इज दिस? यस, मॉस्किटो. क्लियर? MOSQUITO. Now B is, disease which has been totally eradicated by vaccine. वैक्सीन पता है ना, इंजेक्शन, जिससे आपको बहुत डर लगता है। कौन सी डिजीज को टोटली इरेडिकेट कर दिया है, मीन्स टोटली खत्म कर दिया है by using injection? Which disease? Yes, it's polio. Clear? Now track your progress again. C and D are left. C is the disease which can be caused by direct contact. कौन सी disease है जो direct contact से हो जाती है? You can see a picture here. He is having red spots on its body. We call this disease, yes, chicken pox. CHICKENPOX, chicken pox. Now D, disease in which a person bones get weak. हमने पढ़ा था ना, कौन सी डिजीज होती है जिसमें पर्सन की जो बोन होती हैं वो बहुत ही वीक हो जाती है? Osteoporosis, sorry. Clear? Osteoporosis. Now come to page number 65. Assessment zone. Come to page number 65. Straight, true or false? Have you taken out in your book? Yes. First is night blindness is caused by bacteria. Yes, tell me. Is it correct or false? It's false. Clear? Disease can be caused by germs only. Disease जो है केवल germs से होती है. True or false? बताइए, germs से होती है कि नहीं? It's false. Clear? Then next is rest is an important as balanced diet. रेस्ट भी उतना ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है जितनी की बैलेंस डाइट. तो रेस्ट तो करना ही चाहिए. तो इट्स, बताइए, ट्रू. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज एक्सरसाइज कैन कॉज टायर्डनेस. जब हम एक्सरसाइज करते हैं तो हमें टायर्डनेस हो जाती है. नहीं, एक्सरसाइज हमें रिफ्रेश करती है. सो इट इज फॉल्स. डोंट वरी, आई विल रिपीट इट, सो वेट फॉर अ वाइल. डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ विटामिन सी कॉजेस बेरी. विटामिन सी से बेरी होता है? नो, स्कर्वी. सो इट इज ऑल्सो false. Let's repeat it. First one is false. Second is also false. Third is true. Fourth is false. And fifth is also false. Am I clear? First, false, false, true, false, false. Clear? Now the next, come to page number 65. Fill in the blanks. Think water and dash are other essential components of the food. First of all, you have to think, then I will answer in the last. Second is disease caused by very tiny microorganisms are called dash. Third, dash is an effective way of preventing communicable diseases. Sunlight is a natural dash. Dash can cause disease like malaria and amoebic dysentery. So first is water and think roughage are other essential components of the food. Diseases caused by very tiny microorganism. Very tiny microorganisms को क्या बोलते हैं? Germs. GERMS. Third, dash is an effective way of preventing communicable disease. Communicable disease को हम कैसे prevent कर सकते हैं, कैसे रोक सकते हैं? वैक्सीनेशन, इंजेक्शन से. दिखाई दे रहा है इंजेक्शन? VACCINATION. Then sunlight is a natural disinfectant. Disinfectant पता है ना, जो जर्म्स को किल कर देते हैं. DISINFECTANT. Clear? And the last one is dash can cause disease like malaria and amoebic dysentery. Protozoa. PROTOZOA. Am I clear to you? Have you done? Very good. Now move to the next part. Come to page number 66. Write the name of the deficient nutrient by which these diseases occur. State one symptoms of each. So you have to write the nutrient name and deficient nutrient name and symptoms. So first is osteoporosis. Osteoporosis occur due to the deficiency of calcium in our diet. So you will write calcium and the symptoms are bones become weak. Bones become weak. You have to write only one symptom. Then scurvy. Scurvy is due to the deficiency of vitamin C in our diet. And the symptoms are bleeding gums. Done? Now next is goiter. Goiter is due to the deficiency of iodine in our diet. पढ़ा था? So what happened due to it? Swelling in the neck region. Swelling in the neck region. Beriberi. It occurred due to the deficiency of vitamin B in our diet. And the symptoms are, in wet beriberi, it affects the heart. And dry beriberi, it affects the nervous system. You can see the picture here. Beta, don't worry if you are not able to write it in the book. So I will send a worksheet also in the same way. So you can copy it from that also. Now D. Choose the correct answer. Which nutrient plays a vital role in building our muscles? हमारी muscles किससे बनती हैं? बताया था. कौन होता है जो हमारी मसल्स को डेवलप करता है? कौन सा न्यूट्रिएंट होता है? बताइए. प्रोटीन्स, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, रफेज, कौन सा है? Yes, this is proteins. Clear? Now second is polio is caused by. पोलियो किससे होता है? बैक्टीरिया, वायरस और प्रोटोजोआ। किससे होता है? थिंक। इट्स अ वायरल डिजीज। इट्स अ viral disease. Clear? So first is protein and then second is virus. Am I clear to you? Have you written it down? Now the next is C, third. Which disease is caused by intake of infected food and water? So you can see here infected food, infected water. मीजल्स, गॉइटर और टाइफॉइड। थिंक कौन सी होती है? इट्स टाइफॉइड। क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज वी शुड इंक्लूड सी फूड एंड आयोडाइज सॉल्ट इन आवर डाइट टू प्रिवेंट। हमें कब सी फूड और आयोडाइज सॉल्ट खाना चाहिए? कौन सी प्रॉब्लम होती है जिसमें गले में स्वेलिंग आती है? थिंक। दिस इज आयोडाइज सॉल्ट। कब खाना चाहिए? यस, बेरी अनेमिया और गॉइटर। कौन सी है? इट्स गॉइटर। एम आई क्लियर टू यू? टाइफॉइड एंड देन गॉइटर। क्लियर? I hope you have understood, and I am going to send a worksheet also in the same way. And if something is missing, आप कुछ नहीं complete कर पाए हैं, तो you can complete it from your worksheet. So next time we will do short question answer. Clear? Okay. Take care. Bye.